What's up, Coffee Explorers? So today is about the food. Well, I'm over here in Chehalis, Washington, the city right next to where I live in Centralia. I'm here at the Flood Valley Craft Tap House. I got something really interesting. It is a Bison Belly Burger. This thing it just absolutely looks amazing. It also came with some black pepper tots and an interesting house-made sauce. This place is just one of the few actual gems in this area. If you're ever here, come check this place out. I personally have not had this burger yet before. It rings in at $16 for the plate. Yeah, check that thing out, man. It is just amazing. It's a 1/3 pound bison burger, and then it's got wild boar bacon on it. Looks like some tomatoes and some lettuce and some nice melted Gouda cheese and some sort of a sauce. Yeah, let's just dig on into this thing. Oh yeah. That is the certified good stuff. Oh, yeah, the masks. You gotta wear the mask here in Washington State. If you go out in public, you gotta wear a mask. That's just how it is. Damn COVID's gotta go. Alright, let's try this sauce with the tot. That sauce, it's like a barbecued garlic aioli. Yeah, it kind of tastes like a Lay's barbecue potato chip. I tell you what though, this is one sloppy ass burger. You know it's a good burger when it's just falling apart in your hands. That's what this one's trying to do right now. A little bit more about this place. They've got 21 different craft beers and ciders on tap. I actually got a craft root beer that came off of the draft, and it comes from a brewery called Brewing. It's a low sugar, made with cane sugar, and it is just absolutely delicious. Oh yeah, not too sweet, just perfect. I think I could eat like this burger like every day for a week without even getting tired of it. This thing is amazing. If you're ever in Chehalis, Washington, or even anywhere in Lewis County, Washington, make sure to check out the Flood Valley Craft Tap House and go out of your way to get there if you need to, and come try some of this food here. It is absolutely amazing. The beers are great. That's what the owner of this place has prided himself in for years and years and years, is making sure that there's amazing beer here. Everything that he does, he puts his heart into it. He wants to make sure it's the best food that you could possibly get around in the area. definitely come check this place out. Flood Valley Brewing and Craft Tap House. Like and comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Comment below if you've ever had bison meat or wild boar. Do you want to try it? You know, all these, whatever, man. Just, I'd love to hear from you. Let's have a conversation. As always, eat great food. If you found any value or entertainment in this video, I would definitely appreciate it if you were to give the video a like and maybe even subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. It would definitely help me with the algorithm. That would be awesome. Thanks.